Hey guys, I'm back with another video for my addicted blogging channel. In this video I will be discussing about whether the double tap to wake option is working in Amazfit Gts 2 mini, and if it is working in Amazfit Gts 2 mini, it will be working in any Amazfit watch because they all have this same UI in Amazfit watches. So it doesn't have the Wear OS obviously, but it comes with a custom OS as we already know that, and we need to see whether the double tap option is working in Amazfit Gts 2 mini. So this will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, this Amazfit Gts 2 mini is a great watch in the price point of 6,999. It has all the features and all the functions of a smartwatch apart from some music storage and calling options which are not there, but in this price point it is really a good watch. So coming to the double tap options, if the screen is off and I double tap, let's see what happens in here. So now the screen is off, and let me try double tapping the screen and check whether the display is turning on or not. So you can see that the display is not turning on even after double tapping the display. So the double tap to wake up do work sometimes, and it works in certain scenarios, like so if your watch display is turned off and you just tap on it immediately, then it will wake up the screen. So let's see what happens where the display is turned off and I am just double tapping on the screen to wake it up. So here you can see that the display was turned off and I just double tap to wake up the display. I will show you again so that you can know when it works actually. So let the display get turned off and voila, you can see that double tap to wake is working on this Amazfit Gts 2 mini. So whenever the screen will be turned off and if you are double tapping, within 5 to 6 seconds I think it will turn on the display and wake the display up. But if you are not double tapping on the watch for a long time when the display is turned off, then it will not work. So I will show you whether there is any difference in the double tap to wake up display when I am wearing the watch. So in this case what happens, let's see. So right now I am wearing the watch and you can see if I double tap, nothing is happening here. So I just turned on the display right now, and I will try to double tap within 5 seconds when the display will be turned off. So let's see the double tap to wake up is working in that time frame or not. Let the display get to dim once, and yes, it is working. So within 5 seconds if you double tap, it will work even when you are wearing the watch or even when you are not wearing the watch. Both scenarios will be the same. And also in the case of heart rate or any measurement related or activity related sensors, when it will be working. So here you can see it is showing me the heart rate, it has got dim, and I am just double tapping, it is showing me the heart rate again. So let's double tap after 5 seconds and let's see what happens. So you can see even after the heart rate measurement, even if I double tap, it is not waking up the screen. So 5 seconds is the time within which the double tap to wake is working in the Amazfit Gts 2 mini. And also if you are using some of the functions, the screen will never get turned off. So make sure in that case you are switching off the display by tapping into this crown, otherwise the battery of the watch will be drained out. So when the screen will be on for always is if you go to the compass option and click on compass, and if you are using compass, the screen will not go to dim and will be on forever. So the Amazfit UI is designed in such a way that the compass will not let the screen go off and it will light up the screen for always on. And if you are not clicking this button or crown, then the battery will be drained out from the watch. So you need to remember this, because if you are leaving this watch with the compass on, the battery will be drained. So that is a really important thing to note. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be bringing more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.